Hi, Scott here at East Anglia Car Audio and Performance Centre. Today we have fitted a DMX5020DABS into a BMW 1 Series. Just run a few functions on what this unit can offer. So it's got DAB radio built in, as well as FM radio, Bluetooth for phone and streaming facilities, and the added bonus is you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto option on here. So at the moment I've got Apple plugged in, so once I select that, it will then give me the option on the screen to open up my Apple iPhone. So you can use Google Maps, Waze, Siri, etc., and the same for Android Auto with OK Google. Also, this unit can be provided with a rear camera. This customer's decided not to because we've kept his original parking sensors working in with the system. Also, all the steering controls just work as normal. If you'd like to know any more information, give us a call at East Anglia Car Audio or find us on Facebook or Instagram.